Last week, they gave Boeing the choice of either entering a guilty plea or paying a fine as part of its sentence, or facing a trial on the felony charge of conspiracy to defraud the United States.
Under the deal, Boeing has agreed to pay a fine of $243.6 million to resolve the DOJ's investigation into two fatal 737 MAX crashes that killed 346 people. This decision follows the government's determination that Boeing violated an agreement shielding it from prosecution for over 3 years.
And as part of the deal, Boeing also agreed to spend at least $455 million over the next 3 years to boost safety and compliance programs. You may remember two 737 MAXs crashed in Indonesia and Ethiopia in 2018 and 2019, respectively, resulting in 346 fatalities.
And in January 2021, the DOJ filed criminal charges against Boeing, reaching a deferred prosecution agreement lasting 3 years. Boeing agreed to pay over $2.5 billion in fines and compensation, committed to full cooperation, and pledged to implement compliance and improvement plans as required.
On May the 14th this year, the DOJ determined that Boeing had violated the deferred prosecution agreement reached in 2021. And on June the 30th, the DOJ presented a plea agreement to Boeing, requiring Boeing to accept it by July the 7th, or else the trial process would be initiated.
Now, despite Boeing...